everyone! Today I'm standing in the kitchen of our basement apartment at our rental renovation. I painted all these Ikea kitchen cabinet doors and some of the cabinets as well, and I'm going to be sharing all the details about how the paint has held up with over a year of use. I painted them a few different methods with different types of paint, and I had some sanded, some not, some primed, some not. So this video and the blog post are going to go into detail about what's held up and what I wish I would have done differently. Thanks for watching! I really like my cabinet boxes to be white on the inside. I find it's a lot easier to clean and see things. So for all of the base cabinets, I actually did white boxes, but for the upper cabinets, I did the dark boxes, which was available at Ikea at the time. In our past kitchen they had like a mid-tone, but I don't think they have that anymore. I think they just have the white and black. The reason I chose the dark upper cabinets is because I wanted it to blend in the most with our cabinet door color. I ended up painting all the bottoms and the sides anyways, but in case I didn't, or in case the paint didn't hold up, I wanted it to be as close to the cabinet color as possible. For the cabinet boxes, I didn't prime them, I didn't sand them, I didn't do anything. I just installed them and painted them. And I find that that's where I get the most wear and tear. There are some spots where like the paint is peeling and I could probably just take my finger and scrape all the paint off because it's a very glossy surface. I find that the cabinet over the micro hood gets a lot of like grease marks and like grossness. I do wipe it down a lot and I don't have any paint coming off of these up here. But I did want to point out this cabinet to the side. There was a little paint scuff that came out during installation, and I've since gone and painted it. But as you can see, there's a bit of a different sheen here, and that's just because I used the different kind of paint. Even though my paints were color matched perfectly, because I went with two different types of paint and two different brands, whatever, you'll notice that there is the different sheen or different color variation. So that's something you want to keep in mind if you are going to be testing out different paint methods or doing something like I did. These three cabinets right here are the ones that I painted using just regular wall paint, I think in an eggshell finish. They've held up surprisingly well considering that they don't have the special cabinet paint or any top coat. We did store all our tools in here, like we still have all our tools, so our Airbnbers shouldn't go in here. But trust me when I say that when we lived here with the kids, we were in here all the time, either doing renovations or like the kids wanted to always see the tools and stuff. So these ones definitely got used. And this one we used to store our dog food in. So we were in it all the time, and now there's just cleaning supplies.